Okay, 1 second. So let me go back to the course student database. So in our student database, we have a student ID, gender, first name, date of joining, and course table. We have a course ID and course name. Okay, and in the marks details, we have student ID, course ID, and the marks. Now I would like to see my output. I want to see what is the output I wanted to see is like I want to see the course count. Okay, also number of students. I want to see the course count, number of students also I want to see. I mean to say Damodar has assigned, like he joined 2 courses. Like Damodar, how many are there? Only one is there, but you can say like suppose another person joined 2 courses, like I want to see his number of students, how many joined. Okay, here in this case like 1, and one courses joined 1 guy. I think here in our table, let me guess, the student table, John, Damodar, Manju is there, and I think John and Manju has, they appeared for only 1 courses. So 1 means like one particular one, like one course has 2 members registered, 1 course 2 members registered, and one guy Jog, he did not register for any of the courses, that is 1. So I want to see the frequency distribution of the students, like how like what is the frequency of the students who registered in the more courses, how many numbers registered in the more courses. I want to see this particular output. I think it is clear now. Requirement is clear, right? Can I get some response?
Yeah, clear.
So I just wanted to see the frequency distribution of the students. How you will find out? So with the help of inline view, we can do this one. Now first let me write like how we can do this particular one. So like how you would be writing, select. First let me find out the count, course count. So you need to divide your given the scenario, you need to first think, you need to always write a sub query, inner query, like how you will be getting. So first I wanted to find out the course count of the courses, course ID. So how you will be doing that one? Just think on the database, come to the database and see from, I want to see the course count. So in order to get the course count along with the student ID, so I need to do the join with what? Marks details. You need to do the marks details join with the student table based on the student ID, right? And then you need to find out the course count, correct? So again you need to use a group by, because it is a count. So think in that perspective. Now let me write the query. I'll write select s dot f name, student first name, and count of m dot course id as, okay, let me write course count from student s left outer join. I am using a left outer join. Okay, because why I am using left outer join means inner join, if you do, there is one person who did not register. So I wanted to get all the details, all the student details. That is why I'm going with the left outer join, left outer join. So marks details m and on what student dot s dot student id equals to m dot student id. So because you are using a aggregated function, you have to give the group by, correct? S dot f name m dot student id. Though I have not given student id here, it is there in the join condition. You need to give it here. We'll do the join based on the first name and student id, because first name can be there for 2 or 3 members. Student id is unique, so we need to identify uniquely. That is why I'm giving student first name and the student id. Now I have got the course count and like how many are they registered. Now what you need to do, you need to get the how many students have appeared for that, like course count which is greater than, like all the details I want to get, student details also, right? That is my requirement. Now I need to write the outer query. How you will write? Select. So course count I already got. I need to get this course count here. So I'll just get course count, okay, comma, count of first name as, let's say, frequency. Okay. From then you will write inner query. Okay. So all these thing, it's just one query, right? So you need to give some alias name for this one. So I am giving student course. Okay. Now again, because I am giving a outer query also, I am giving a aggregated function. You need to give again another aggregate group by outside also. Correct. So group by course count, order by, I want to get it order by the course count and DSC. Now you see you got two course count is 2, frequency is 1. One student registered for the 2 courses, 2 students registered for the 1 course, and 1 student not registered for any course. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Now guys, any all of you clear, or like you have any questions you did not understand, you want me to repeat, I can repeat. Tell me. So okay, let me just give you the inline views. So usage of inline views, so we can get the first thing, the previous, like I told, like top n rows you can get. Okay, another one is we can perform group by and group data again. Firstly you can do some group by, again I can do a group by, multiple times you can find out. Okay,